Good morning, everyone. So we'll start with global market update first. Asian markets often mixed Monday as investors digested the downbeat economic data from China released over the weekend, while several key markets were closed for holidays. Investors also await the Federal Reserve's policy meeting on Tuesday and Wednesday, where the central bankers are expected to make their first interest rate cut since 2020. After a rough start to a historically weak September, the three major US indexes ended last week's trading session in the green, with the S&P 500 and tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite closing their best week of 2024. Gold prices powered higher on Friday, beating record levels as a boost in bullish momentum fueled by the optimism that the US Federal Reserve is on the brink of trimming interest rates was catalyzed by the fund inflows and a drop in the dollar. The US dollar fell on Friday to its lowest level in nearly 9 months against the Japanese yen after media reports once again fueled speculation that Federal Reserve could deliver a supersized 50 basis point interest rate cut at its policy meeting this week. Oil prices fell on Friday as US Gulf of Mexico crude production resumed following Hurricane Francine, and rising data showed a weekly rise in US rig count. You're looking at Nifty. Nifty closed negative, minus 32.40 points, which is minus 0.13% on previous last trading sessions on Friday. So for today, the Nifty levels, as far as Nifty levels are concerned, the next level of resistance could be at 25,559 or 550, followed by 25,700 levels. As far as support is concerned, it could be at 25,250, followed by 25,083 or 25,000 level. So as far as option chain is concerned, 25,000 is a strong support. Of course, there are intermittent support at 25,200 building up, as well as 25,300, and 25,400 looks to be a strong resistance at this point. So the range is between 25,000 to 25,400. Bank Nifty closed 165.65 points positive, which is 0.32%. So for Bank Nifty, next level of resistance is at 52,000 level, followed by 52,400. On the downside, support could be expected at a 51,500 level, followed by 51,200 or 51,000 round figure level. As far as Bank Nifty option chain is concerned, 51,000 remains a strong support. Of course, there is an intermittent support at 51,800, and there is a resistance at 52,000 level. And also, we are seeing some build up at 51,900. So, expectation is probably it will touch 52,000, and then we'll see a reversal from this level. As far as mid-cap Nifty is concerned, mid-cap Nifty rallied quite well, 393.75 points, which is 0.66%. So as far as resistance are concerned, next level of resistance is at 60,000 level or 60,300 level, followed by 60,600 level. And on the downside, 59,800 is a support, followed by 59,500 level. Small cap index also rallied 151.20 points, which is 0.78%. So for small cap, the next level of resistance is at 19,577, followed by 19,680. The downside as support is at 19,400 level, followed by 19,300 level. So as far as sectoral data is concerned, diamond and jewelry, information technology ratings are the top performers, and we are seeing kind of saturation, but still it continues to rally. Especially diamond and jewelry has done extremely well. So aviation and alcohol also heading towards saturation, but some level of retracement is being seen. So there is still a bit of steam left. So the sectors that are looking attractive now is agriculture, fast-moving consumer goods, chemicals, consumer durables, construction materials, photographic product, paper, and finance. So these are the sectors which are looking attractive. Let's look at the last week's delivery data. As far as delivery is concerned, Diamond generally continues to see good delivery. Photographic product, as we saw in the sectoral detail, media and entertainment also, some investments are coming in. Industrial gases and fuels, non-ferrous metals, finance, ratings, realty. So these are the sectors where we are seeing good delivery volumes. So these are the sectors which one can look for short-term investments. Basket call for this week. So we continue to give call for financial service. Expected return is 10%. And now let's review the performance. So as far as performance is concerned, large cap is at 7.53, closer to target. Hopefully we'll achieve that soon. Auto is at 3.83 percent positive. Private bank is recovered slightly from 4% odd in last week. So now we are at 2.1% negative. Tata Group is at 5.23% and financial service is at 5.35% positive.